All right, we just ran to the grocery store and we ran across some plants they had for about four or five bucks. It's a pretty good price. So I'm going to make some additions to this out here. I'll show you what we got. I think it's going to look good, and it's something that's a perennial. One addition I'm going to make, I've got some sweet potato vine. One I'm going to put on either side of this. It's going to be real pretty. So I'll put one here, one there, and I got some Vinca that I'm going to put over there. And this is a spot where we used to have a tree. We've had dug out a few years back. It's out here in the front yard. It's nice to have something that looks good from the road. Dig that out a little bit more. I like this little shovel, it's handy. And these look to be in pretty decent shape, even though they were at a grocery store. All right. We're supposed to get a lot of rain today. Got a tropical storm moving in. Okay, that's going to be real pretty there. Soil's real soft there, where that old tree used to be. Now, I've also got, and somebody gave me this free at a conference the other day for some reason, a Sweet William. I'm going to throw that out here with where I got these wildflowers here in the middle. And I'm going to plant the Vinca. Yeah, Tammy put some wildflowers here, but it doesn't look like she put too many seeds. So I got this for free, so let's see how it does. Try to put a couple of seeds here and there. In this potting soil. Okay, we'll see how that turns out. And I love Vinca. We've always done real well with Vinca. It always lasts several years, 3 or 4 years. Pretty, grows real well, real hardy. And this is supposed to spread. This is Cora Cascade polka dot Vinca. Says it's a trailing Vinca. Pretty. See that Georgia clay we got down here. My flowers usually do really well out here in this location. Nice little hole there. Well, this Bermuda grass really likes to spread. What are you doing, Joann? Joann? Hello? What are you doing, Joann? Trying to get in trouble? Trying to get in trouble? Joann? Well, there you go. I'm glad she at least waited till I got it planted.